Good morning and welcome back. So today is a new day and we are doing a day trip to Montenegro. It's another country, so we're gonna go through border crossing. So we're just waiting at our bus stop, 6 in the morning. Let's got our coffee and a strudel, I think a cheese strudel, right? Cheese with chocolate. Alright, so we finally boarded our bus. I think it's guided by Super Tours.
We are going to visit the beautiful state of Montenegro, and we are going to drive by some of the most significant landmarks and landscapes that shape the face of entire southeast coast. And after we cross the border, our first town in itinerary is small beautiful fishing place called Perast, and in front of that town there are two islands. One island is the only artificially made island in the Adriatic Sea called Our Lady of the Rocks, and other island is natural island of St. George. We'll be able to visit the island Our Lady of the Rocks, and there we're gonna spend half an hour. After Perast and Our Lady of the Rocks, we've been away to Kotor, and in Kotor you'll have full 2 hours on your own. Before we reach Kotor, I will show you the details on a map that I'm going to give you, and there you will see how Venetian influence remained dominant even after more than 500 years. After Kotor we are going to Budva, and Budva is quite similar to Kotor, only the walls in the shape of a circle, so it's like mini Dubrovnik. And if you go hungry together, we can have lunch in this Super Tours recommended restaurant called Jadran, where you can try some of the well-known Montenegrin specialties. Anyway, after Budva, we've been our way back to Dubrovnik, and depending on the traffic and of course the border, we expected to return at around 7:30, maybe sooner, we'll see. And we will drop you off where we picked you up this morning, and also transportation back to your hotels will be arranged.
Montenegrin border. I'll keep you guys posted on how it goes. We have our passports ready and our vaccination cards. So keep you guys. Croatian exit was more complicated than the Montenegrin entry. Budva and Kotor will be later. I think there is one town we'll go first before we go to the two big towns, where we're gonna see the only man-made island in the whole of Europe, which is the Our Lady of Point of Rocks. So let's see how that goes. So we stopped at this Perla bar. It's a coffee shop. So thank you. Thanks for the coffee. Bye-bye. I'll add you guys on YouTube. Bye-bye. So if you want to follow my channel, watch. Huh? I'll give you the name. Offbeat Travel VK. Talk to you guys. This is their best guy.
Best kelner.
Thank you.
YouTube.
From Perla bar.
From the Perla.
Yes. Yeah. So
Thank you.
Take care. Finally heading to the Point of Rock. Right? Yeah. Right there. The town of Perast. So the name Montenegro comes from two words: dark mountain. So the cypress trees cause the illusion to make it look like dark colored mountains. So Montenegro. So that's why that country is called Montenegro. Former part of the Yugoslav Republic, later part of Serbia and Montenegro until 2006. And then in 2006, Montenegro proclaimed its independence, and it's its own nation from 2006. They use euro as their currency, and they're applying to be part of the European Union. And that's a bit of history of Yugoslavia. Broke up into 6 countries: Slovenia, Croatia, Serbia, Montenegro, Kosovo, which is kind of in the middle, and Macedonia, which is now called as North Macedonia, and after they renamed themselves. So that's a brief history of this Balkan region. But now everybody lives in peace. They all know their history, and that's what matters the most. Look at this beauty. There.
Go, the town is right over there, and don't forget 11 a.m. same place where we got off. Shall we?
Let's go. Yeah, now I started. That noise as well, because people like, yeah, you want to disable it? Yeah, I can show you. Nice. Good to meet all different people. Almost there. All right, time to go. Thank you, Captain. Finally made it. That's the Point of Rocks, and this is the Point of Rocks church. So we will be able to get some beautiful shots here. Let me show the 360 view. This is the city of Perast. I just want to show the Montenegrin. This is the Our Lady of Point of the Rocks church, and I think there's a €1 entry, and I'm gonna check it out pretty soon. And yeah, that's the beauty of it. But I did get some good drone shots. Look at that big boat. Yeah, good. I think we may have to go back. Off limits, you cannot go there by boat. You can only visit this beautiful church right here. It's it here.